Hello, it's a new grad school vlog because last semester in the fall 2017 I had to drop my class because I was teaching 20 credit hours or 6 classes and it was too much and I couldn't do it. So, um, so far this semester, like there wasn't a hold on my account, so I just registered for the next thing that was in my grad plan. And I readjusted the grad plan to make up for the semester that I lost, and now, like, I haven't really heard any contact back from my advising council or whatever they're called. But, yeah, so here's what I'm doing. I'm currently I paid out of pocket for the class, for the one class. I can do it when it's only one class, and while I'm working full-time. And then I was looking at the professor's website for the class, and ordering the books that I need. So, whenever I can, I buy ebook versions, usually like on the Kindle app or something, and I read it on this. The Kindle app is pretty shitty. It has a bad user interface, but I don't want to, like, be lugging around a bunch of textbooks because, like, I already have a bunch of textbooks from when I was an undergrad, and they're not even all here. It's just random books, but I just don't need that, and I'd rather not have all the clutter, and textbooks are really heavy. But one of these books is apparently really old, and there's no ebook copy, and he says that it is a must-read for people working in the visualization field. So I've ordered a hard copy of that for, was it $40 or something? Even though it's from 1965. I was hoping there would be an e-copy, because I just really don't want any more physical textbooks, but I got that. He has links to some other reference texts, but I'll just look at those if I feel not prepared for the stuff. So, for this class, we need to have some experience with OpenGL, which I do have. Shaders, I do not have, so I might have to teach myself that. Here's some examples of the visualizations. I guess I could capture the screen from my computer and then post it out, but whatever, this is just a vlog. And then otherwise, I'm beginning teaching next semester in next week as well. I'm teaching 2 discrete math 2s and 2 data structures, so I'm just kind of like super stressed this week about getting everything ready and feeling like I have enough time and worried about homework and stuff, and I'm just like, I want to work on Musader stuff, my startup, but I always have to kind of balance everything out. And this semester, since I'm not teaching 6 classes, I'll try to balance things out a lot better. So, sorry, got a text. I will, I guess, be going back to grad school, and I mean, nobody stopped me from registering for the class, and I had it on my grad plan. I originally had 2 classes on my grad plan for this semester, but I am not taking 2 classes this semester. Once I'm done with my full-time contract, I'll go back to part-time and take more classes. Until then, I am only going to take 1 class while I'm working full-time. So, just mostly feeling anxious about the semester and stressed out, so it'll probably be fine, but last semester was just freaking terrible as far as the stress of trying to take a class and to also teach 6 classes, where I had originally been scheduled for 4, but I had to pick up adopt a couple from someone else. One of them wasn't a class I ever had before. I got some bad reviews last semester. I always get good reviews, but I always get some, like, lukewarm reviews. But I got some, like, this is the worst class I've ever taken review type of thing, and that was, like, just hard. So, I'm just kind of, like, feeling jaded this semester, I guess. This is why anytime you start a college class and the professor has, like, a long list of, like, I'm not your friend, you're expected to do all your own work, and blah blah blah, when they have this huge rant at the beginning of the semester, it's because they've had to deal with so much crap over the semesters they've taught. So I don't want to be jaded like that, because it's not why I started teaching. I wanted to do teaching the way I would teach college classes. But at the same time, I'm like still so burnt out from the previous semester that it's just kind of like, okay, this all has to stay in balance, and I'm sorry, I can't give you guys the world and everything. You're going to have to do work, as always, and do your own studying. You're going to have to read the book. Like, I'm not always going to be around to give you points for reading a book, and stuff like that, but anyway, this is my quick grad school vlog for today. We'll see how class goes when it starts. Bye.